Hello, students. I'm Vipul Mittal. And the question that we have in front of us is that what is the exemption amount for gambling winnings? And the answer to this question is zero. So no amount of gambling winnings is exempt from tax. The entire amount of gambling winnings is taxable. In fact, gross winnings are taxed. So you don't get any deduction from gross winnings. You do not get any deduction for gambling expenses or gambling losses from gambling winnings. So you are not able to reduce your gross gambling winnings by gambling expenses and gambling losses. No, you really cannot reduce your taxable winnings. So, for example, if you win $10,000 and incur $1,000 in gambling expenses, you still tax $10,000 as gambling winnings, not $9,000. Another example, on one day, you win $15,000. Next day, you lose $4,000. Still, $15,000 are taxable. You cannot really set off gambling losses and gambling winnings. No. So, gross amount of gambling winnings are taxable. If you incur any gambling expenses, for example, entry fees for club or expenses you incur in going to club and then coming back from club are not deductible. Gambling losses are not deductible. But yes, these gambling expenses and gambling losses can be claimed as deduction from adjusted gross income. From adjusted gross income, you may be able to claim deduction for gambling expenses and gambling losses. But gross amount of gambling winnings are taxable. So whatever are your gambling winnings, all are taxable. Entire amount is taxable. Do not reduce that amount for gambling expenses and gambling losses. Yes, gambling expenses and gambling losses can be claimed as deductions separately, and you can claim a deduction for these from adjusted gross income. All right, students, we'll connect again. Goodbye.